Well, that leads us to the third and final top question that you're asked by your clients. Do you mind sharing what that is, please?
Yeah. How do I get started in real estate investing?
Awesome.
Big question. There's a real estate market boom right now, right? The market's hot. Things aren't staying on the market long, and a lot of new people are trying to jump into real estate investing. My first suggestion, and I think the best way to get started in real estate investing, is check out a local real estate investor association.
Awesome.
These are usually free or very low cost organizations that provide great education, great networking, where you can meet other investors and learn from people who are more experienced. I don't necessarily recommend jumping in and dropping $10, $20, $30, $40,000 on these programs before you even know that you want to be in real estate investing, or what kind of investing you want to do, or whether those programs will even help you. So start with local people and local associations, and get all the free or low cost information you can. Get some experience in real estate, and then if there's other programs work for you, great.
Yep.
But there's cheap and easy ways to get great information, especially here in Utah. We're really lucky that there's some great RIAs, real estate investor associations here in town, where you can get great information and education.
That's awesome. I always say that real estate is like ice cream to me. If you go to Baskin Robbins, there's 31
Isn't everything
flavors.
like ice cream to you, Yoshi?
Yes, I really enjoy ice cream. And although I love ice cream, I could walk into Baskin Robbins, and that doesn't mean I love all 31 flavors. And real estate's the same, right? There's wholesaling, there's flipping, there's rentals.
There's being an agent, a property manager, being an appraiser,
Exactly. And so you've got to find, Jeff, that's some great advice, Jeff, that you don't want to pay 40 grand to go take a course on something that you don't even know what it tastes like yet.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
And you might go,
that's a whole lot of money to pay for ice cream and then have it melt in your sink.
Yes, exactly. So start tasting the different flavors on a very economical budget.
Yeah.
And then once you find your favorite flavor, then you can
get deeper and invest more money and really learn that particular topic.
Absolutely. Awesome. Okay. A question I get asked a lot, and you kind of touched on this already. When I'm helping retail clients purchase a primary residence, they've watched a YouTube video, they've read a book or something, and so they ask me, do I need an LLC or a trust to hold my primary residence in? What's your take on that?
Yeah, for a primary residence, 99 times out of 100, it's going to be in a family living trust, or possibly a more protective type of trust, like an irrevocable trust, depending on the value of the house and how much you want to protect. But primary residences, and we'll talk about this later when we talk about the Airbnb stuff. One of the great things about home ownership right now is you can gain a lot of equity through appreciation, sell it, and capture all all that equity tax free. It's called the primary residence capital gains tax exemption, and every homeowner knows it and loves it.
Yep.
So you can buy a house, get the appreciation, sell it, and then all that money is tax free. You can go buy another house or go on vacation with it. And you want to maintain that. So you don't want to stick your primary residence into an LLC, because then the IRS is going to think, hey, wait a minute, this is a business or income property. It's not your primary residence, so maybe you're not going to qualify for that tax exemption, and you might lose it.
Got it.
And that's true even if you have renters in the basement. We'll talk about that in the later segment. But yeah, family living trust, primary residence, LLC rentals. Very simple.
Excellent. Thanks, Jeff. Well,